in the vibrant streets of the South Bronx, New York City, 1973, a new sound began to echo. The air was thick with the pulsating rhythm of change, as a dynamic movement was about to take the world by storm. Under the scorching summer sun, young DJ Kool Herc, a Jamaican immigrant, prepared for his latest party. His mission was simple: to provide the music that would ignite the souls of his fellow Bronx residents, who longed for a respite from the turmoil of their daily lives. With 2 turntables and a massive sound system, Herc crafted a unique blend of soul and funk records, seamlessly extending the break beats that held the dance floor captive. The crowd cheered, their bodies swaying in rhythm with the music, a sight that was both mesmerizing and liberating. Suddenly, a crisis emerged. The neighborhood was plagued by violence, poverty, and political apathy. The music that once brought people together now seemed powerless against the grim reality of their lives. In a moment of desperation, DJ Kool Herc saw an opportunity to transform the music into a tool for change. He began to speak over the beats, his voice resonating through the speakers, urging the crowd to uplift themselves and their community. The words were raw, powerful, and honest, speaking to the struggles and aspirations of the people. This was the birth of the rap verse, a revolutionary element that would forever change the landscape of music. The movement spread like wildfire, as young DJs, artists, and dancers embraced the new sound. They called it hip-hop, a culture born from the heart of the struggling Bronx, a testament to the resilience and creativity of its people. The culture was not without controversy. Critics denounced it as a symbol of urban decay, a reflection of the poverty and violence that plagued the streets. But to the hip-hop community, it was a beacon of hope, a voice for the voiceless, a catalyst for change. Hip-hop became a powerful force, transcending the boundaries of the South Bronx and spreading across the nation. It served as a platform for social commentary, political activism, and artistic expression, forever changing the face of popular music and culture. From the ashes of crisis, a new culture was born. Hip-hop stood as a symbol of resilience, a testament to the power of community, and a beacon of hope for generations to come. The music of the streets, the voice of the people, would forever be etched in the annals of history, a legacy that continues to inspire and captivate millions around the world. And so, the story of hip-hop continues, a tale of struggle, resilience, and transformation. A testament to the power of art, music, and the human spirit, it serves as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always the possibility for change, for growth, and for revolution.